Someone's banned from filming in August because they're meant to be looking after themselves. So
I have no camera.
looks like I'm taking charge of the walking along a canal and filming duty today then, doesn't it? We brought a Leanne as well.
Hi.
I've done this in portrait, so this is going to have to be a short now, isn't it?
Yep.
That's short like Leanne.
Oh,
Love you.
That's nice. What are you taking a picture of me for?
I'm not.
Videoing?
I'm videoing.
Oh.
Mercury.
So this just turned out to be a bit of an experimental video really. I wasn't supposed to be filming, but as you can see it was an absolutely beautiful sunny August day, and this is the Rochdale Canal between Todmorden and Hebden Bridge. On the bridge here you can see an OS benchmark. There are approximately 500,000 of these scattered across the United Kingdom, and their purpose was to help surveyors of old work out heights above sea level. Nowadays we have fancy electronic gadgets that do that for you, but these are nice relics of the past.
Even I can appreciate this.
And behind Leanne, we can see some beautiful cows drinking from this ramp, which is what it's intended for. They go down, get some water, and then they walk off. Quite a clever invention, really.
Cows! Cows! Yeah, she will hide. This one wants me to walk 9 miles and I've not eaten yet.
I rather imagine that these Canalside apartments go for a fair whack. I mean, they do look like a lovely place to live, quite serene and peaceful. It's a different pace of life alongside canals, even I will accept that. And I'm just a fan of the architecture. I mean, these bridges are just beautiful in their own way.
I like it.
That little Leanne-sized boat.
I'm small, but I'm not that small.
Yeah, you see, these bridges are good for people who are Leanne's size. Less good for people who are Jen's size.
Spoiler alert from before, by the way. We didn't actually walk the 9 miles, it was too hot. But what we did walk was lovely. And as you can see, people are enjoying themselves on both the towpaths and the canal.
You were supposed to carry on! Can't get the staff. Can we just take a minute to appreciate the fact that I am on a walk? These two have changed me. Aversion therapy works.
I actually want you to be not affected by it because I like using the word.
Well, I thought you meant you wanted Leanne to be moist.
Gotta love the old mixing of units, haven't you? And is that 2 miles an hour to the right?
Only 7 miles to Sowerby Bridge. Might get there today. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I usually only ever drive through this valley. This is a much nicer way to go through, just slower. Yeah, leave the car in Todmorden, get the train.
Right.
Well, yeah, where are we?
Hebden Bridge.
Do the maths.
Yeah.
Even I knew. Jen's in a mood because we went to a nice pub instead of a Wimpy.
Not in a mood.
Cheers.
Very nice chocolate fudge cake.
But she wanted a pork bender. You and your benders.
We're supposed to call them bendies.
Alright.
Hang on a second. That looks like back-breaking manual labour if you ask me. Jen tells me that I'm just being silly, but I know what I saw. I think I'd rather just be the passenger on the boat. Also, you realise that boat diesel engines are quite noisy. Kinda shatters the peaceful illusion of Canalside living, doesn't it? That said, I'm really enjoying learning more about canal infrastructure. It's something I should have paid more attention to when I was younger. But we have the Leeds and Liverpool Canal in Blackburn and we just took them for granted. Oh well, they're everywhere, and they're actually not.
It's a different pace of life, isn't it? Maybe I should quit being a highways person. Just take over the canals instead. Do all the signs for them. Hey Jen, what would you say if I did all the signs on canals?
I think somebody knows that they get attention here.
I didn't even notice the cat.
I was too busy looking at the boats. Hello, pretty kitty.
You can always make the dog ruin everything.
We're just about to have a nice fuss of cat and dog bite at him. Mean dog. One of the numerous flood warning sirens in the background there. Hear that go off. Find nearest hill, quickly.
And speaking of bad weather, we did start to lose the sun a bit here. A little bit of spitting started. So we decided it would be time for a tactical escape into Hebden Bridge to see what it has to offer.
Now we're talking. Leanne says they don't know that song. They do.
I just don't know I don't recognize, like, I probably heard it before, I just don't recognise it. I mean,
You can't get the staff.
he says from your staff. That's just rude. Rude.
Do you want to be in my excellent content that filmed in August 2023 and probably goes online in about March 2024?
No, not really. Your face. Your face. Oh, you're doing a sad face.
Well, this was a waste of
Dittos.
life, wasn't it?
Dittos. It's okay.
Jen's abandoned us.
She has.
It's like Forth Bridge all over again.
Shall we go and find a Jen?
Bet she knows a guru Josh is.
But she doesn't.
Oh no! Hebden Bridge is woke! Or something like that. Isn't that what you're supposed to say these days? Some of these are quite funny actually.
Hey Jen, can't be many aqueducts that immediately go into a lock, can there?
Can't think of many.
No. I mean, that's instant.
See, as a proud Lancastrian, it pains me to admit that this part of the world is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I started my highways career in this part of West Yorkshire, and I've always loved it, and I probably always will love it. But unfortunately, we couldn't spend much longer here, as it was starting to get into the late evening, and Jen was about to give us some unwanted news.
Well, I was going to do an outro, but somebody's just told me there's a train cancellation and we have 4 minutes. So, Jen made me run for a train.
I didn't make you work. I made you not wait at a station for an hour.
Same result.
Hello. I also had to run for the train, but I'm not ungrateful like Brain because we got the train.
Do I look like I run?
So that was that then. We went back over the lovely viaduct into Todmorden, and it was time to go back to our car and leave. But naturally, we'll be back. I love this part of the world. Any excuse to visit it. And I hope that you have enjoyed this rather experimental video I've done. It's not probably going to be the way forward, but I just figured I'd do something different for a change. See how it goes. If you like it, of course, like and subscribe. If not, please civilly tell me in the comments. And with that, I will see you around. Take care. Bye.